Okay, so we're jumping on the bandwagon here, and I've been seeing all over the news that Popeye's Chicken came out with this new spicy chicken sandwich, and a crispy chicken sandwich is supposed to be head over heels better than Chick-fil-A. So we're gonna give you our opinion of it. We got a regular Chick-fil-A, a spicy Chick-fil-A, and these two from Popeyes. So we're gonna, first of all, since Jenna doesn't like spicy, we'll start with this. This is your classic.
Wait, how do you know which one's which?
Because the red bag is
Oh.
I thought you just said that.
Yeah, I just wasn't sure. I was
So
just
we'll cut
guessing.
it into fourths. Back up so Tyler can video. So that's a your typical Chick-fil-A classic chicken sandwich. Jimmy, you can take the pickle off. And this is classic Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Ooh, that looks good.
Already you can see that it's a much bigger
Hold on.
piece of chicken.
Take that one out and that one out. Just compare the half and halves. Yeah. I messed up the camera on that. I moved it over. Yeah, so that's the size difference.
Okay, and I can tell that Jen is upset with me because I forgot to request no mayo.
Or pickle.
We'll get a paper towel and you can wipe the mayonnaise off.
Oh yeah, let me put that.
Pause it.
No?
Okay, so we're starting with the Chick-fil-A, the old classic favorite. Which we already know that we love this one. You like it?
Dad, can you open up the sauce?
Jenna's not a fan of pickles. And she said that even though there was no pickle on her section, she still feels like she can taste pickle.
You can taste the juices that soak in the bread.
Yeah, but there was no pickle on her section.
I seen the juice on the bottom of the bread.
So let's try the Popeyes chicken. You gonna try yours?
Mm-hmm. Can you eat it?
The Popeyes pickle tastes more like a fresh pickle.
I don't know about this one. The chicken tastes a lot better, but the bread doesn't taste as good.
There's just a lot more breading.
Yeah.
A lot more breading. It's a lot crispier on the Popeyes chicken. And it's definitely greasier.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna say that it's that is defeating the Chick-fil-A sandwich. We'll have to wait and see what we feel like with the spicy.
Yeah. For the regular, I like Chick-fil-A more.
For the regular, I would agree. Chick-fil-A, they can beat. So here's your spicy. Nice spicy. So it's hot, but it's not like, oh my gosh, hot.
Yeah, it's just like a little bit of a kick. Almost if you were put like red pepper on it or something. It's just like...
Jenna don't like spicy food, so she's not voting on the spicy side.
Even though she likes chocolates.
Yeah. Look at the thickness of that sandwich.
There's a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that's big.
I mean, as far as presentation goes, we don't have to give it to Popeyes, but they got a much thicker piece of chicken. I don't know. We'll see how with just a spicy sauce on it or not, because it doesn't really look like it's any different color.
But it's just chicken, so. Do you have a roadmap that I can try? 'Cause I think I just got lost in your eyes.
It's the same chicken. They just put a spicy sauce on at the bottom, and not very much of it.
It's good though. I feel like the wings or whatever the Popeyes does is not good. Like Emma isn't as much as that. So it's not really that good.
Definitely not worth all the hype.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
Okay, so the sauce is pretty hot. My mouth is pretty hot right now.
It's got a little bit of kick.
I mean, it's good, but like I said, same as the other one, it's holding too much. The breading is holding too. Yep, my final vote is Chick-fil-A is the winner in both categories, regular and spicy.
Do you remember if like Popeyes was like cheaper? Like if they were like at least like it's good. So if you want something cheaper, you can still get that. Or do you not remember?
The two sandwiches by themselves, without any fries or anything, was almost $9
For Popeyes?
for the Popeyes chicken sandwiches. But I got some fries I got 2 large fries at Chick-fil-A, and that bill was like 12 something.
So they're about the same.
Yeah. So no vote. I still vote Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
Well, the Popeye. Oh wait, just cut me off. The Popeye sandwich is good though.
It's good, but does it beat Chick-fil-A?
No.
Neither. All right. That should have it. We're the final authority in chicken sandwiches, so cut it. One of our babies came out of the egg completely. This is probably the coolest snake I've ever seen hatch at this place, considering it's only our second. Still pretty cool looking.
I'm not gonna take him out of the home. Check this one.
Well, try that one.
That one's almost completely dissolved, is it, egg?
Yeah.
They're probably ready. If this one's ready, they might just be being lazy.
Because this one's the only one I can see moisture in.
This one's got a little tiny bit, but nothing really.
Tyler, touch him.
So Tyler's gonna pick him up and rinse him off in the water.
It feels like fatty right here, loose.
Did he eat it?
I doubt it.
It's not in there though.
After you get him rinsed off, pick him up so that we can see the belly button.
Can I do?
Yeah. Oh, it's pooping.
It is. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's going crazy. Okay. I poop in my hand. He's all full. I don't know why.
What's on him?
Oh, jeez.
You guys,
I wasn't freaking out. I was holding him.
even if he bites you, it's not going to hurt.
He's not gonna know how to bite, see? He's got this.
Yep, it's all healed up.
Why is he so puffy?
Hold this. Let me see.
He's cool.
That is weird.
Maybe it's what happens and we just didn't see it for Slinky because his was
I don't
entirely
know.
dissolved, so we didn't see him. It's just the camera don't show how puffed. out
He's,
it is.
yeah, it does.
It does a little bit, but not as much as we can see.
It's weird.
I think this one should be the next one that comes out. He's already looks like he's ready. He just looks like he doesn't want to. Oh, it stinks though. I can smell it.
I don't really have anything clever to say. It's early in the morning. I woke everybody up because I saw that those three had come out of the egg. So we're gonna get them cleaned up and put in the tub with the other little guy.
That one didn't have much. Texture, whatever it's called.
I'm not really sure what we're looking at. I know I'm in at least pastel, but I don't know for sure. Again, go ahead, Tyler. The pairing was a citrus pastel fire to an Enchi pewter lesser possible calico. I'm not seeing any calico. There's no whites coming up the sides of any of them.
Well, that one was good.
I don't really know what I'm looking for fire, other than a brightening. These three almost look identical to each other, although this one here seems to have a much tighter, maybe a tighter pattern on the back.
And a lighter yellow.
Yeah, and a lighter yellow. Then Jenna can get up and see them all three together. Oh, trying to come out.
The three yellow ones are all active, and then this one's just like, I'm standing in the corner. You guys can move over.